Please place palm on identification plate. Palm print accepted.
Now I've got this, I'd better go downstairs and rescue myself. What exactly is that supposed to achieve? What a bizarre idea.
It's you.
Do I know you from somewhere?
I just locked you up downstairs.
You must be thinking of someone else. I was just leaving.
Never mind, though. I was just going down to fetch you anyway. The Master's plan is ready to be put into operation. It's time to say goodbye, pesky wizard.
Hang on, isn't that a troupe of Balinese belly dancers?
Where?
There. Time for a sharp exit, I feel.